Hi, this is Mercy, and today I'm going to be reviewing these wooden spoons from Wattish. These are the best that I've gotten so far on Amazon. I've tried everything else, and these, when you cook things, don't stick, and it's perfect. It is the perfect measurement. So it comes with this holder, and it's Wattish, and we have this big one, we have this, we have eggs, we have this one. We have this, and this reminds me of my mom because she used to have all these nice wooden spoons, and I couldn't find them in any town that I was going. So it was only when I scrolled down on Amazon I found all these beautiful, amazing spoons. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! This is the best. These are the best spoons that I've ever seen, and to be fair, I think you should just check them out on Amazon, and it comes with everything like this, and there's fast shipping as well if you use Prime. Everything's just so quick and fast. So I suggest you guys try this on Amazon. Just go check it out and try something new.